We will discuss one more topic called why we go for Agile. Why every team is preferring Agile, or why every project team is going for Agile. So we will discuss few points. Why everyone is choosing Agile means, first point is like control over the product, over the project. Okay, so we will have more control on the project. Second thing is better productivity. So we will achieve better productivity in Agile. So third one is better quality of the product. So we will achieve better quality of the product. Fourth point is on-time delivery. So on-time delivery. So this will happen every time. So on-time delivery in Agile process will happen every time. Fifth point is huge returns on investment. Huge returns on investment. So, and one more thing is, this is very important, highly customer satisfaction. So we are going to achieve these many when we choose Agile, like control over the project, better productivity, better quality of the product, so on-time delivery, huge returns on investment, and also highly customer satisfaction. That's why every team chooses Agile for their project development framework. Thank you.